Leonardo Corona was born 1561, died 1605, was an Italian painter of the Renaissance period, active mainly in Venice. Born in Murano. For the Church of Santi Giovanni e Paolo in Venice, he painted an Annunciation, while for Santo Stefano, he painted an Assumption. For San Giovanni in Bragora he painted a Coronation with Thorns and a Flagellation. He is said to have been a pupil of the elder Titian, and completed some of his canvases after the master's death. His pupils included Santo Peranda and Baldasarre.